Hi, I'm Krista Davidson and I'm the Head of Programs and Operations at Injini. I'm so excited to officially welcome Cohort 4 into the Injini family. It's been an absolute pleasure getting to know each of them over the past few months, and I'm so glad that you'll now get to hear why we chose them and what they're doing to improve educational outcomes in Africa.
Hi, my name is Faith Ngogoyo from Lumen Labs, based here in Nairobi, Kenya. At Lumen Labs, we equip the students and learners with critical thinking skills and computer-based education.
I am Chris, one of the founders of Mosabi. I'm American, originally from Minnesota, but I moved to West Africa 6 years ago. That's where we started Mosabi, and our base is in Sierra Leone. Our team has a mission to make a difference for Africa's low-income, informal sector entrepreneurs.
Hi everyone, my name is Kgosi, surname Kgosi as well, and I'm the co-founder of NLT Media, which is an education technology startup, and we are responsible for devising a solution we call RoundAfire. You see, unless children learn how to read, then they cannot read to learn. And this is because reading is central to all learning. And it is unfortunate that in our country we have a 78% illiteracy rate, wherein children cannot read for meaning by the time they reach grade 4. So it is upon this backdrop that we founded RoundAfire, which is a digital framework to addressing illiteracy and a tool to bring about a culture of reading by delivering interactive stories to our children.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth Ansah, Vice President of SmartiX Education. I've been an education enthusiast for the greater part of my life. I started teaching at age 6, and since then I've dedicated my entire life and worked to improve education outcomes on the African continent. At SmartiX, we believe every student has a unique style of learning, and it is our job as educationists to provide the right environment for students to thrive. And so our work involves designing digital teaching aids.
Hi, my name is Rizma, and I'm one of the co-founders of 1 Million Teachers. I'm from Pakistan and currently operating from Canada with another co-founder, Hakeem Zubair. 1 Million Teachers is a unique reward-based teacher development program that is designed to keep teachers engaged, motivated, and excited about learning and teaching.
Hi, my name is Mukundi Lambani. I'm from Limpopo in South Africa, and I am the founder of Ambani Africa. Ambani is a Chivenda word which means to speak, and that really talks to who we are and how we want to change learning. Ambani's ultimate purpose is to improve educational outcomes, increase mother tongue fluency, and address the educational inequality gap using our augmented reality app that teaches in African languages.
Hi, I'm Merrington. I'm the CEO of City, the Cape Innovation and Technology Initiative, and co-founder of Injini. Congratulations and welcome to being part of this cohort. We're delighted to be part of your incubation journey and to be helping you on your way as entrepreneurs and to growing your business and to becoming a successful business during these incredibly challenging and very interesting times.
Hello, my name is Joshin Raghubar. I am the CEO of Ikineo Ventures, and I'm also the Chairperson of City. So as you start this incubation journey, I'd like to share one personal note, which is grow your business, but also grow yourself. Take your business to the next level through this experience, but also use the time to grow your own personal decision-making frameworks.
Hello, my name is Nati and I'm the CEO of Langbot. I just wanted to say congratulations and wish you all good luck. I know the world is a bit unpredictable right now, but don't let that discourage you.
Hi, my name is Kwekowe and I'm the co-founder and CEO at Slatecube. I'd like to wish you well as you start your incubation journey with Injini. My one piece of advice is that you quickly test assumptions, always stay open to suggestions.
Hi, my name is Christa. I'm Head of Partnerships at Injini, and I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to our incubation program and to the wider Injini family. Personal bit of advice I would like to share with you as you go through this journey is to stay curious. Whether it's about yourself, your team, the dynamics, the product, your end user, keep curious, keep learning, keep being open, and good luck.